Why does dopamine deficiency cause Parkinson's symptoms? Imagine your brain as a busy city with traffic lights and signals guiding movement and coordination. Dopamine is like the traffic controller that keeps everything flowing smoothly. In Parkinson's disease, the cells that produce dopamine in a part of the brain called the substantia nigra gradually die off. This means there is less dopamine available to send signals to other parts of the brain involved in movement. Dopamine's main role is to help coordinate muscle movements so they are smooth and controlled. When dopamine levels drop, the signals between neurons become weaker or disrupted. This causes the brain to struggle with starting and controlling movements, leading to common symptoms like tremors, stiffness, slow movements, and balance problems. The loss of dopamine also throws off the balance between different pathways in the brain that control movement. Normally, these pathways work together to allow fluid motion. Without enough dopamine, the brain's activity becomes abnormal, making it hard to initiate voluntary movements or stop unwanted ones. This disruption is why motor symptoms are so prominent in Parkinson's disease. But dopamine deficiency isn't the only change happening in the brain. Researchers have found that other cellular problems like mitochondrial dysfunction, oxidative stress, and synaptic defects also contribute to the death of dopamine-producing neurons. These issues make the deficiency worse and add to the motor difficulties seen in Parkinson's. While dopamine loss is the main factor behind the movement problems, other neurotransmitter systems are also affected, making the disease more complex. Still, dopamine remains the most important chemical involved in the motor symptoms. Understanding that dopamine is essential for normal movement helps explain why treatments often focus on restoring or mimicking dopamine's effects. Medications like levodopa are designed to increase dopamine levels in the brain, helping to improve motor function. However, it is important to remember that Parkinson's disease involves many complex processes, and each person's experience can vary. Always consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice and treatment options.